Hey everyone, my name is Real and we're building Neko project. There are 500 million USD parked in RWAs without generating any yield or the possibility to get into a DeFi protocol. So they are holding a store value, but there's no certain way to collateralize it. So we cannot collateralize, for example, a commodity or a stock. So RWA owners' main pain points are that they are holding illiquid assets but they can't leverage it, or that investors may face some low and unattractive yield options, which is horrible for these RWA holders, and we want to change that. How are we achieving this? We created a DeFi protocol for collateralizing RWA, a liquidity layer market for democratizing financial tools for RWAs. So let's talk about the market size. First, for that we have 607 million according to RWA.xyz. There are this amount of tokenized stocks. Then we have 200 million as SAM, which is like a big portion of the market that we could capture. And then 35 million of SAM, which is like a realistic, more statistic and portion of the market we can capture for tokenized stocks in the first phase of the project. Target users are RWA owners, such as real estate holders, invoice owners, and private equity holders, and investors seeking for yield backed by tangible, non-volatile assets. So they're not looking for these kind of cryptocurrencies that are really volatile, so if they can get into a more secure protocol.
Hey, so this is the demo for Neko. Here you can see the dashboard. Here's the portfolio. You can see your returns, average pool. This is just mock data. So let's connect the wallet. When you connect with Finder, you can see your asset holdings. For instance, we have XLM, USDC, etc. And you can see here all pools. On pools, you can see details and lend. On swap, you can swap XLM. For instance, let's swap 100 XLM to NVIDIA token. And we can swap. Now, let's wait for it to charge. Now here you can see I am actually signing the transaction. Confirm. Now let's borrow. Here you can see I can borrow. Currently my borrow limit is $0, so we return. Now let's lend, and I can select the pool to lend, and I can deposit. Let's say I want to do $2, sorry. Process. As you can see, again signing, and finally sign in again. And finally, the Oracle. So, yep, that's it. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is a quick demo on the RWA Oracle. So, if we run npm run dev, here you can see that the contract ID, we received something from the API key, and we basically simulated, launched the transaction. Now, if we go over to Seller Expert with the account that did the transaction, you can see that the last transaction was the set asset price of Tesla with the API. Now, if we go over to the Oracle in the D app, you can see that the price has been updated as of 10:56.
Now I want to present you our core team of Neko. First, me, Real, full stack engineer and product lead at Opia. Then Matias Aguilar, full stack smart contract engineer and founder of Facto. And then Fabian Sanchez, full stack engineer and developer at Opia. Then our roadmap. First, for the Q1 of 2026, we have adding more RWA support, not only tokenized stocks, and upcoming SIG implementation for legal compliance of these legal documents for the RWAs that are more legal. Then for Q2 2026, full alpha testnet deployment, and also the alpha testing to gain feedback, and the SDK and API for Web2-like mobile applications. Then for Q3, and not less important, alpha improvement, smart contract update, and go-to-market execution, and then deploy to mainnet after audits and beta go-to-market execution. And also, let's don't remember about the SCF 41, which why not, we could get it. RWAs are meant to be cool, so join us on Let's Factory Market, and don't remember to keep connected with us. Follow us in our social media and see our GitHub. See you.